Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by here again today. So I'm going to be reviewing a unit from MyFirstWigs. I've always wanted to work with this company. So the box came with this cute little purse that has your beginner friendly tools just in case you're just starting out with wearing wigs, as you can see in the video. And they also sent me this wig stand, which I thought was very cute. And then also I have two headbands. They sent me two basic headbands, so the black and the animal print one, and of course the unit itself. So the unit I'm going to be trying is a headband wig. Yes guys, more headband wigs. This is a different texture though. I haven't reviewed this texture before, and this is your kinky straight texture, and it is in 20 inches. If I'm not mistaken, the density is 130 and it's in a cap size number 1, and the color is a natural hair color. So I was doing a shed test, and honestly I didn't receive any shedding whatsoever, and the hair is extra soft straight out of the packaging. I know it looks super thick, but guys, this hair is so lightweight. Like, I was expecting it to feel a bit heavy because it's so full, but none of that. So the construction is your basic standard headband wig with the combs at the front and also the Velcro fastening. This also came with an adjustable strap. I did go ahead to lightly straighten this hair, not too much, because I still wanted to maintain the texture and the crinkles that it had. I just wanted to take out that little texture from it, because obviously it's been in the box and you know it tends to like have like crinkles and all of that stuff, if that makes sense. So yeah guys, this hair is super duper easy to apply. If you're not already used to headband wigs, then I don't know, like you need at least one headband wig in your life, because headband wigs are very convenient for like all the grab and go occasions, like maybe going to the gym or to the grocery store, or even a night out. You know, imagine you've taken off your lace and your girlfriends call you, you know, to hang out, and you just can't be bothered to like lay your lace and all of that. Headband wigs are your go-to, guys. I kid you not, I'm so in love with headband wigs. So yeah, after applying this unit, I didn't use any of the combs, or no, actually I used the comb at the back because I knew I was going to put this up in a bun. So yeah, I just needed that for security. This fit my head perfect. It's a cap size 1. You definitely could check the link in the description box for the exact measurement, so you can tell the company what cap size you want. And I believe the headbands come free, I'm not so sure. So I basically went ahead to style the unit in different ways, as you would see in the video. I really love this hair because I feel like it looks like freshly blown out natural hair, and you can straighten it to get it like bone straight, of course, or you can add some curls to it. But I've reviewed so many curly headband wigs, and I just really wanted to let the texture of this hair flourish. So please feel free to do whatever you may. It is human hair, so it takes the heat very well. And one thing I noticed about this unit is because the cap size fit my head so well, styling it up in a bun or this half up half down style wasn't really that much of a hassle, because it wasn't moving anywhere, and I only use one comb, which is at the back, so that is a plus. This hair is so cute, guys. Like, I 100% recommend you check out the link. They are also having some Black Friday sales, so if you want to get this unit, now is honestly the time. And that's basically it, guys. Like, I feel like the unit speaks for itself. I don't need to say too much. Y'all already know MyFirstWigs. Like, if you don't know MyFirstWigs, then you're probably not a wig lover, because they cater to people who are just starting out with wearing wigs. So yeah guys, please make sure you check out the description box for any other detail. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, guys. Subscribe, we're trying to grow the family. And also like this video, and please leave a comment down below, even if it's a love heart or just anything. I really do appreciate it, and I appreciate all my subscribers that have stuck with me through thick and thin. Okay, I'm gonna do a giveaway for you guys soon. Like, I can't use all this wigs, so I'm definitely gonna give them away. So thank you so much. I hope to see you guys in my next video. God bless. Bye.
Purchase your tracks today.